Ikaw ba'y nalulungkot? Nababalot pa ng puot? Maraming hinanakit sa mundo. Di alam anong gagawin kundi ubusin ang oras sagin. Akala mo iya'y may mararating. Oy kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo ang mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard leaving you that way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game, it's strange. I never would have wanted till there was you. 'Cause I have loved, the love is beyond what human can imagine. The more it clears, the more I gotta let you go. 'Cause what I don't understand is why I'm feeling so bad now, when I know it was my idea. I could have just denied all the truth and lied. And why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground? May gusto ka bang sabihin? Ba't di mapakali? Hindi makatingin. Sana'y wag mo na itong palipasin at subukang lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na. Ito ang nararapat sa akin na tunay kong mamahalin. Huwag na huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pangakalayaan mo. At sa gabi, sinong duduyan sa'yo? At sa umaga, ang hanging